Just want to show you guys a little behind the scenes. This is what I've done with this thing so far. Put a lot of work into this one. It originally was a desk box that I got for a new desk, and today, or in the last couple days, I put this on, which is velcroed in. I put wheels on this thing just now. I spray painted, but that's not what it's gonna look like. I was just testing it. I reinforced it today inside. Got some things going on in here. I put some styrofoam in there. I made the block also made out of styrofoam, and some duct tape inside, black duct tape. This is gonna be pretty cool. Put some little decorations in there. This is what I have to do to paint it to make it look nice on the outside. I have to paint it backwards on the inside. I made a little stencil on a piece of paper. Let's see what happens. This is what it looks like before. Obviously backwards because it needs to reflect on the other side the correct way. Touched it up, made it look nice. I gotta black out this speaks a little bit better, outline it. And I put some accessories back there. I'm gonna put the crystal ball in shortly. I think I've put this thing together. I put all the side pieces on. I got the Zoltar speaker, and the dollar thing.
Hello, I am Zoltar. I am here to tell your fortune. Would you like to hear your fortune? Insert $1 now.